Hey, this is Ashley in the day surgery department at Shumpert. I have baby Brittany that you're doing surgery on this morning.
Right.
We have tried to get a BTPCT on her and we're unsuccessful.
In Zoe's case, she has 2 hemangiomas. It is not present when they're born. It proliferates rapidly within the first 1 or 2 weeks, and it continues to expand even up to a year.
This next patient that we're going to go see, Brianna Spivey, she suffered a really bad burn injury when she was just an infant. Her crib caught on fire and she had terrible burns all over her body.
All right, you ready to go through all this?
This girl's pretty flat. She doesn't have very much breast tissue, so this is what we call an emergency boob operation.
Hey guys.
How gorgeous she is.
How y'all doing?
Good.
All right, I've got to see this. I want to take a lot of credit for that.
Well, I think our practice is unique. A patient has the opportunity to choose between 3 surgeons, Dad being the most experienced surgeon in Louisiana.
I've been seeing all these problems with MRSA, or methicillin-resistant staph. Back when I was in the beginning, when plastic surgery, we didn't even know what methicillin-resistant staph was.
I know it's going to be a good outcome, especially for her because it's going to leave a minimal scar. I'm just very excited.
It's crazy. The toddlers are way harder than my day life.
I don't want my son.
Put them back on, baby. We're going to school.
Somehow we make it to work and to school every day.
Anything that requires us moving things, you can't have any nicotine in your system. It's totally not worth it for you.
She has a history of breast cancer in her right breast. I'll harvest the flap, make a tunnel to the front, push the flap through that, and then we'll flip her onto her back, create the pocket, and place the flap and implant. And after recovering from cancer, if you still have this flat chest and significant asymmetry, you're just not going to feel like you've really overcome the cancer.
We're all proud of each other, and I'm very proud of Holly and Simi, and they both do beautiful surgery.
That's what people need to see, is reconstruction really has a very positive effect on people's lives.